I'm sorry, people, because I'm struggling with Softimage application. I try to use texture, two different textures for texture image editor. It is hard to do that, but I will publish video tutorial once again. I cannot really focus because my dogs are moaning, and it is hard to focus. Okay, I will not talk too long, and I will show you what I'm doing. Uh, jeans? Jeans? I have to... Oh, doesn't matter, I will have to do that. And... I don't know if I supposed to create a new operator. I don't know, I'm a little bit too tired today. New... Oh, okay. Okay, I will... This program can be tricky, because if you don't know how to work with this, it can be really tricky. I will check this hack. I think I will create new... You have to select polygon like that. I would like to remove this, and I will have to start from the beginning. I'm a little bit sad because it is a very hard program to learn, because it's not easy to learn, people, this. It is not the same to texture like in Blender. Blender seems to be easy compared to Softimage. I wish I was more clever, but I will try to publish video tutorial for you. I have to check if this is possible. Sorry. I will have to check something. I already have unfold the operator, but I have to this option. I have to use this option, unfold and back. Sometimes I don't know why this option is not. I'm a little bit tired. This is what I needed. Select this because this is important. Okay, I don't rename this. I don't really have time to do that. We have this. I will have to check how many operators I have got here, but if you want to texture selection, unfold. I'm getting worried because Softimage is difficult program to learn. I don't say it is more difficult than Blender, but when it comes to texturing, I mean it is hard to work with two separate textures. I will use this option, update and go back. The problem of the program is when it comes to texturing. We have Gizmo second place, Gizmo on the top of this. You also have ability to select island. How I am supposed to move to view 3D viewport? Let's check island. Because I have to scale this object and the button Q. I check this. I must check what render will say to me because sometimes it isn't visible in render, but I can see two separate textures. They are visible in render. Okay. You can always fix texture if you click on the same operator, and when you select polygon, you have cluster texture coordinate. I don't know if I should rename this. Maybe I will leave it as it is. Because you can mess up with application. I would like to go for a walk with my dogs in a minute. Because I wasted so much time trying to fix texture. Now, if you want to cut properly, use this as well. And don't forget to select this. Set from current edges, update and no pack. We see the difference, how our texture looks right now. You can also see where selection is located. I still wonder how I can. Is this right? Is this right? I got worried because I didn't see polygon selection. I didn't see what we got here. Oh yes, this is quite interesting. Oh yes, I can see this. This is that one. I couldn't see this. When by Q, I will select this. Top of the hat, I will quickly resize. What about that one? Oh, this is our hat. I can quickly use Gizmo, put in the middle, and this button is for resizing. I cannot tell you what option this is. I still study this program. I think this cuts texture, but I have to study this option. What I showed you to you, how to work with polygons, how to work with two separate textures. It wasn't easy for me to take this, to texture this, to use two separate textures. The problem is, when you work with Softimage, and you have to be careful because it has separate texture coordinates, separate operator. But finally, I was able to do that, and I also use sky texture like in Blender. And I like very much this add-on because this is free and it imitates Blender's render cycles. And you can use graphics card inside Softimage when you use this newest plugin. I'm waiting when Black Dot will be released because this will be like Softimage application. Let me wait because I want to show to you final render of the hack. Because I'm creating a model of the Polish soldier. Also, I have to check the temperature. Because this render engine uses open image noise built in render engine. I wasted too much time because it wasn't easy for me to accomplish this task because it is really hard to apply two separate textures and to unwrap two separate textures inside this application. This is one of my different models. I got different models as well. If you want to see, I will show you. This is from my previous year. I was rendering it back to 2021. You can also import cycles materials inside Softimage. Because Blender can export to gem file many different add-ons. I hope you like my video tutorial and see you guys and have a nice evening.